Do it. Fucking do it. It'd be so, just bump him. Just kiss him. Just kiss him. So close. All right, what's up, guys? We got the whole crew together. Today we're about to go do some stupid stuff. We found like this cool dirt track out in like this undeveloped area. So we got the Silverado in the Jeep and we're about to go just drift the shit out of them, basically. I don't even know what we're about to do.
I don't know. We're gonna find out though.
Yesterday we went there in the Jeep and like we were jumping that thing so bad. It's a lot of fun.
It's hardcore.
It's a lot of fun. Yeah, we're not trespassing technically. I don't think we are, at least. So we're out here. We got this like SUV chilling here. I don't even know if he's in there, but about to find out. This might be a little bit awkward. All right, so I want to see, dude. He's going for it. Bren's about to go down this big ass thing. What the hell? What the hell? Look at his ass. Dude, he's not even going hard. He's not. Crazy ass. Oh, fuck that. I'm gonna break some shit while I'm down there. Let's go get sideways. There's so many people. Really? Yeah, look, there's a fucking ton of them over there. Yes! Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh shit. Street tires for the win, dude. Oh my. Oh. I'm trying so bad to stabilize this. Alright guys, let's look at this tire real quick. Let me show y'all. Look at that. Look at this.
Free drifts. Oh my god.
That's so bad.
How bad is
It still hasn't blown. I don't know how.
Look on the inside of his tire.
Look, I should have got gas.
It is so hot. I don't know how that still hasn't blown. Look at all these.
It's so
I'm
bad.
trying to get that shit to blow and it will not
I heard
blow.
this brake. I thought his tire blew.
Scared the shit out of me.
We've been doing 50 around the turns the entire time, dude. Now Bren's in front. Oh god. You gonna do it? You gonna do it? Oh god. Oh god.
Yes.
Oh my gosh.
That's what broke first.
That's so bad. I can't even open the door. I can't even open the door, dude. Hold on, let me get out of this real quick. It's so bad.
Funny though, I thought that was gonna happen because look how bad that is.
Fuck, dude.
It's heavy. Ready? I know. I don't know how we're gonna do shit. Hold on a minute.
Oh, bro, I got my seatbelt on.
No, shit. Okay.
Does it even work?
Yeah.
I got no idea.
Hold that shit. Oh, no! It's stuck. Locked up. James screwed. He said, dude, it feels like a million times rougher in the truck compared to the Jeep.
Really?
Yes.
You want me to hold it?
Yeah. Jay's flying everywhere. Oh shit.
We should be in one of those fucking National Traffic Board safety videos.
Oh.
For drivers and passengers, wearing a seatbelt is one of the easiest things to do. It doesn't require any skill to execute correctly. And
I have to say, I do have motion sickness.
Oh shit.
It's on fire. Oh, fuck. Oh, God. He three-wheeled it.
Two-wheeled that bitch. He two-wheeled it.
Oh my God.
Brendan's gonna kill us on this next one.
Alright, we gotta get gas.
You two-wheeled this motherfucker.
You want to take both trucks or you just want to take the Jeep?
Well, I don't know if he wants to leave his truck out here.
Probably not. Alright. Oh my gosh.
That was so rude.
We almost rolled the Jeep.
Just throw it in the back.
Wait, what did he knock off? My left hand hurts so much from holding on.
Oh, no.
Yeah, that's not gonna come back
That's funny.
off. I'll take it off.
I hit the sick tune again.
You want to hear the sick tune? All
Let's
right,
do it.
let me play you. This is but I got you, bro. I got you, bro. Please hold for the sick tour.
Appreciate it, man. Thank
Got
you.
you. Are you fly? Woo! Oh.